CNN News 18 has tried to confront Minister Girish Mahajan, who's only gone on to say that the woman appeared frustrated due to being stuck in traffic and that he would gather more details before commenting further, declining to elaborate at this stage. Let's first play out this reaction from the minister.
काही नाही त्याच्या ट्रॅफिकमुळे ते वैतागलेल्या होत्या म्हणून ते ओरडत होते पण विषय
विरोधक आता राजकारण करतात त्या व्हिडिओ
मी त्याच्यावर बोलतो प्लीज बोलतो डिटेल देतो काही नाही त्याच्या ट्रॅफिकमुळे ते वैतागलेल्या होत्या म्हणून ते ओरडत होते पण विषय
विरोधक आता राजकारण करतात त्या व्हिडिओ
मी त्याच्यावर बोलतो प्लीज बोलतो डिटेल देतो.
My colleague Ananya Gupta is also joining us. One wonders what more the minister can say. I think the video speaks for itself. He's clearly been embarrassed by the fact that you're holding this rally without keeping in mind the fact that thousands of people could be inconvenienced, and this is exactly the frustration that erupted from that woman.
Absolutely, as the videos we are showing indeed to our viewers, the woman seems absolutely frustrated because of being stuck in a traffic jam, and she's been heard saying that she is getting delayed to pick up her child as she was on the way. Now we can see that she can also be seen confronting Minister Girish Mahajan, who was right there in the protesting, speaking to the media right there in the middle of the road, and she can be heard saying that you can indeed go to an empty ground which was very nearby. The Jamburi Maidan is very near to that road where the protest is being held, and the woman can be seen helplessly going on to the police, going on to the ministers. In one video we can also see that the Mumbai mayor is standing right behind her. She can be seen speaking, voicing her troubles, but she's not being paid heed to. Police officials are being seen trying to escort her to the side, trying to calm her down, but her frustration is visible because there was an empty ground nearby. Still the protest was held on the roads by the BJP and the ruling Mahayuti at the very peak hours. Now Mumbai is a city where traffic is known to be a problem, especially during peak hours when office goers, students travel to and fro, and during that time a protest was held during the evening hours when it's a rush hour, and it can be seen that the traffic came to a standstill when this protest was being held.
Right. Ananya, Girish Mahajan may be the minister there, but clearly there were some other BJP leaders also present in this rally. This is a BJP-led protest. Was he the one who organized it, or was it a party, protest of sorts? And why is it that the police allowed this? They seem to be equally guilty here.
Absolutely. Now, this was a rally organized by the BJP-led Mahayuti. All three parties were indeed participating in this very rally that was held against the opposition, the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra. That specifically Congress, that they did not provide support to the women's reservation bill, is what the BJP and the Mahayuti were protesting against at the very Worli area yesterday evening when this incident unfolded, and a women commuter got really frustrated and angry, and she could be seen confronting the minister as well. Now this rally was held from Worli, and it was to go till the Worli Dome where the CM would also address the people, is what is coming to light. Now it is during the rally when the BJP and its allies were protesting. They were going on from the road protesting, speaking to people, speaking to the media, is when this incident unfolded, when the traffic came to a standstill in the very area, and people had to halt, people had to wait for an hour, as the woman can also be seen emphasizing that the traffic was halted. And why was it not held at an open ground when majority of the protests are to be taken permission of, and then they are to be held at Azad Maidan or any open grounds? Jamburi Maidan, which is very nearby that road where this protest was held, was also empty, and it could have been held there to avoid this inconvenience.
Absolutely. Maybe a message will go to all the parties. There may be a certain party or a government involved here, but all parties are guilty of really using public spaces as their own protest grounds. Ananya, I do thank you for joining us.